This is the Obsidian Oracle of Wednesday, 7th of September 22. Thank you. Thank you so much. The big red heartstone is part of the foreleg of the black horse, enforcing movement forward. It is a bit loose, as being ready to leave this place. Something seems to hold back the horse. The neck of the horse is very strong. The biggest stone of the oracle is upright. That makes it rule over the heart. The mane is represented by the longish stone of the oracle. The tail plays in the wind lightly. At the back of the horse, the little red heartstone initiates an upward movement. A heavy bow or portal above the horse, ending in the head of the horse, presented by the only arrow stone of the horse pointing forward. Are the legs able to carry the bow? What is needed to make this portal alive in its true sense? We will see in the new view. The obsidian arrows. The flow. The fluctuation. The new view. Thank you. Thank you so much. The portal horse has changed its appearance into a bird. The bird is just taking its course upward. The big heart is inside the chest, well surrounded. The little secret sacred heart is directing from behind. The biggest stone lies upside down. The matter has surrendered to the heart. I will cite now St. John of the Cross. The qualities of the solitary bird are 5. The first, that it flies to the highest point. The second, that it does not suffer company, not even of its own kind. The third, that it holds its beak windward. The fourth, that it has no specific color. The fifth, that it sings ever so gently. These traits must be possessed by the contemplative soul. It must rise above passing things, paying no more heed to them than if they did not exist. It must likewise be so fond of silence and solitude that it does not tolerate the company of another creature. It must hold its beak in the air of the Holy Spirit, responding to his inspirations, that by so doing it may become worthy of his company. It must have no definite color, desiring to do nothing definite other than the will of God. It must sing sweetly in the contemplation and love of its bridegroom. End of the quote. And do you see the woman riding on the horseback inside the bird formation?